Before you start Eugying, wash your hands. Make sure your surface is clean. Let's begin. Push out each piece and place in sequence. And don't forget to read our fun facts. Now we are ready to start Eugying. Glue L1 and R1 together. Apply the glue near the edges of the pieces, but don't use too much glue. Hold for 20 seconds. Squeeze the edges of the A-bar. Put the A-bar in the slot. Start adding the next pieces in order. Did you know?
In 2014 in Germany, a barn blew up from a gas explosion that was created from the farts and burps of almost 100 cows.
Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Push through the A-bar. Did you know?
The most famous Holstein was Pauline Wade, a pet cow that provided milk and grazed on the lawn of the White House for the 27th President of the United States, William Howard Taft.
Did you know?
Dairy cows can produce up to 190 liters of saliva a day as part of the eating process, which helps them digest the meal.
Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Add the final piece using the alignment guide. Don't forget the air. Glue the piece together and insert into the slot. All complete! When you are finished, don't forget to tidy up and recycle the cardboard panels.
Bring home your whale! Eugy!
Meet more Eugy friends on our website.